In the name of God Almighty. Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're quite well. In today's lesson, God willing, we're going to talk about a short A sound. Short A sound can be found in a word like man, a sound. So, when can we pronounce A as a short A sound in the following cases? When A is followed by a single consonant, like A. 2. A followed by a double consonant, like at. 3. When A followed by two or more different consonants, like stand and dance. 4. The sequence A, R, V, where V is any vowel like charity. The sequence A, R like Kelly. But the sequence A, R only sounds R in the loan words and in the derived form. As for the loan words like safari, and as for derived forms like a star and a star. Many thanks for watching the video. Till we meet again, I wish you all the best. Goodbye.